Hey everyone, so if Google Translate is suddenly not working for you, translating nothing, freezing, or just loading forever, yeah, it's super annoying, but don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get it working again. First things first, let's check your internet. This sounds basic, but honestly, it's the most common issue. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data, or just reload another website to confirm your connection is stable. Next, clear your cache. If you're using a browser, open settings and clear cached images and files. If you're on the app, go into storage and clear cache there too. I mean, this fixes a lot of weird glitches, so it's worth trying. Now, check if your Google Translate app or browser is updated. An outdated version can break features, especially translations. So, just head to the Play Store or App Store and hit Update if it's available. Okay, next one, check permissions and your device settings. Make sure Google Translate has internet access. Also, turn off VPN if you're using one and double check your date and time are set to automatic. These small things can mess it up. Yeah, surprisingly, if nothing is working, just reinstall the app or try the web version of Google Translate. Also, sometimes Google services just go down for a bit, so you can quickly check their status online. And yeah, that could be the reason too. And that's pretty much it. One of these steps should fix the issue for you. If it's still not working, it might just be a temporary server issue. So give it a little time and try again later.